Hello, everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today, I will be sharing my kitchen decorated for Christmas. Now, if you have seen my kitchen tours before, then you know there are quite a few areas to decorate. So, I will be decorating my countertops, my island, as well as the hutch. I will also be decorating my fireplace mantle, the hearth area, and the breakfast room. Now, my kitchen is decorated in a casual style. It's not a lot of fluff. It's simple, natural, it's neutral with a little touch of green. It's cozy, it's rustic, and a little bit of glam. So, I hope that you stick around until the end to see how it all came together. Now, if you like what you see, I hope you stick around and subscribe. So, I will be starting with the mantle. And on the mantle, I have two pieces of garland, but they both are pretty thin. I got one from Walmart, and I got this one here with the bells from TJ Maxx. Now, I wanted to go down to my local Home Depot to see if I could find some free clippings that they discard when they are trimming their Christmas trees. And so I think I hit the jackpot. I found enough to complete the garland and to add a little fullness to the garland. So I came home and I cut them into smaller pieces, and so now I will be attaching the garland with floral wire to the faux garland. And I will secure them in probably several places because the branches are a little heavy. And then I will continue this process throughout the garland. Okay, a little FYI. Now, the greenery will not remain soft to the touch out of water, but it will remain green. So you may need to spritz it with water to help prolong the life of it. So you should be okay with that before you do this process. Now, my greenery have been up here for about a week and it's still rather soft, and I'm okay with that, and I probably will leave it up here throughout the season. Okay, so this is how it turned out after adding the fresh evergreen, and I think it turned out really pretty. I love the texture that it added to the faux evergreen, and it just looks very full and lush. Exactly what I was going for. I also added in the twinkle lights. So the mantle is a little tall for me, so I do have to decorate that on a ladder. And so I'm going to do that off camera so that I can be safe while adding the decor. Okay. So far, I have the bottle brush trees that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I have a set of candlesticks on the end. Now, I'm not sure if the candlesticks are going to stay. So during the kitchen tour, you will see if I decided to keep the candlesticks or if I replaced them with something else. Okay, so next I'm going to add these large ornaments that I got from Walmart last year. And I can add these without the ladder. Okay, so next I'll be adding this glittered ornament that I got from Hobby Lobby several years ago. Okay, so next I'm adding a few votive cups because you guys know I love candles. And these cups came from Pottery Barn. And as you guys can see, I am using quite a few different metals. Okay, so I think this is going to do it for the top of the mantle because I have so much going on and so many different textures and metals. I'm going to leave the garland fairly simple. Now what I thought I would add to the garland, just for a little touch of bling if you will, are the bells that I painted. Okay, so the bells are in place and I just added a few. I didn't want to go overboard because I have a lot going on top of the mantle, and so I just thought a few little bells added to the garland would just be enough for a little touch of bling. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to add to the mantle will be these bells that I got from Tuesday morning many years ago. Okay, so I like the way that it turned out. I still haven't decided whether or not I'm going to leave the candlesticks up yet. I'm waiting on my deer to dry, and then I will know what the final look will look like. And you will see that during the tour. So I'm going to finish putting the hearth broom together, and then I'll share the rest of the kitchen.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. I can see the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol